together for 2018 RAF Aerobatics Team, the Red Crows. As Red 1 leads the formation over in big battle, the coloured smoke changes to white as he bends the formation around to the left, calling them into short diamond. Leading the team is Red 1 squadron leader Martin Pert. Martin is a former Harrier and Typhoon pilot, was previously a Hawk instructor, and is in his first year as team leader. As Red 1 leads short diamond off to our right hand side, he's about to transition into the first of our aircraft formations. As Red 1 bends the formation around to our right hand side, we're about to transition into the formation that represents our current multi-role combat aircraft. Stationed at RAF Lossiemouth and at Coningsby, currently deployed on operations in the Middle East and safeguarding the skies over the UK 24 hours a day. It's time for Typhoon. To the outside of the formation to form the wings of Typhoon. Red 1 about to bank the formation round. Red 1 having to switch from a rolling display to a flat. The cloud off to our right hand side is getting lower unfortunately, so he's switching between displays to make the most of the conditions. On the right of Typhoon, on the right of Red 1, is Red 2 Flight Lieutenant John Bond. John is a former Tucano instructor and display pilot and joins the team from the Typhoon force. Now approaching us from the front, Red 1 has moved the formation into Lightning. This 5th generation stealth aircraft has just come into service at RAF Marham and is capable of simultaneous air-to-ground, air-to-air and electronic warfare missions. This is Lightning. On the right of Lightning is Red 4 Flight Lieutenant Chris Linden-Smith. Chris is a former Tornado GR4 pilot and Hawk instructor, and he's returned to the team for a second tour and is in his second year. As the smoke comes back on, the edges of Lightning sweep forward into a very technically difficult formation for the pilots. We have 6 aircraft all flying side by side, line abreast in Phoenix. On the left of Red 1 in Phoenix is Red 3, Squadron Leader Mike Ling. Mike was formerly a display pilot on the team. He then did 6 years as Red 10 and returns to the team for 2018 as Red 3. This is Phoenix. Off to our right hand side, Red 1 having to modify the display for the conditions. That cloud to our front right just getting in the way as he manoeuvres the formation around. Red 1 banking the formation round to the right, trying to make the best of the weather here. He's going to take diamond away from us, then hopefully bend it round to the left, changing into Tornado, ready to come from our left-hand side. At the back of Diamond is Red 7, Flight Lieutenant Toby Keeley. Toby is a former Tornado GL4 pilot and Hawk T2 instructor. He's in his second year on the team. In front of Red 7, in the middle of Diamond, is Red 6, the leader of the Synchro pair. That's Flight Lieutenant Cy Taylor, a former Tornado and Typhoon pilot in his third and final year on the team. Well, Red 1 has just called them into Tornado. Reds 8 and 9 are moving off the back of the formation. As they come towards us, the smoke will come on, the air brakes will be out. Red 1 will call 8-9 roll go. I know Red 9 is going to be excited about this one. Let's hear him call aboard as they start Tornado. Aboard calls Red 9 as the smoke of 8 and 9 comes on, rolling around the rest of the formation. Red 1 about to bend the formation to the left with the smoke colour changing. Keep those cameras rolling, this might be the show finale. It's Tornado.